All right, I've got a 53 Chevy Bel Air two-door sedan with the center post. Just got done doing a driving video in it, and this one's a beauty to drive. It's got some power, floats nicely down the road. Great looking color on it. Just got done hitting it with a compound to brighten up the paint, remove anything, and then a polish. Still got to wax it and seal it up, so it'll be good for the next 3 to 6 months. Just a really sweet ride. Power steering, power brakes. Got a 350 in it with a 350 turbo 350 transmission, and she's just really sweet. Doing some walk around here, taking a look. You know, the grill and everything is just shining. Rubbed it all down, so she's really clean. Got a spot right here on the front bumper, as you can see, chrome coming off, and then another one right here. Little chips right there. It's got some custom pinstriping work up on the hood as well. Nice tie-in on the colors. Do have a an antenna if you want to install that. Got discs up front. We also have the GM center caps if you wanted a bit of a different look. I like the flat caps on it. Some good Coopers on it. Tires are in great condition, plenty of tread. I always love these with it's just so much chrome inside and out. On the windshield, you know, the surround looks good. You got one little chip right there, just in the surface of the glass, so it doesn't go through. You got the mirrors mounted up above on both sides. Another little pinstriping detail there. Metallic in it. Exhaust coming out the sides. Sounds really good. Once she cools down, or probably tomorrow morning, I'll do a cold start video. Windows all roll up and down. Back window, it's got a little bit of a stereo system in it. Custom auto sound retro system. Couple of an amp in the trunk. Got this emblem, so we'll get that installed. Back bumper looks really good. Tail lights as well. Turn signals fully functioning. Got one little chip right there. I don't know if you could see the metallic in it, but it just shines on a sunny day. All the bright work's there. It's all in good condition. You don't have any bent or twisted pieces. She looks really straight and clean. Drums in the rear. Same as the driver's side, little detail there on the door. Just a gorgeous car right before the Tri-5s. And then there is one spot right here, as you can see, in the paint. But otherwise, just in beautiful condition. 73 years old. And the interior on this is beautiful. You got real leather interior. Seats definitely comfortable. New carpet, side panels, rear armrests with ashtrays in case anybody wants to let somebody smoke in their car. But all the chrome around the windows is in perfect shape. Headliner, no tears, no damage. You've got the visors as well. Little aftermarket steering wheel. Some custom Dolphin gauges. Gotta have the key on. Tilt wheel. Air conditioning. Aftermarket stereo. Tack. Little center console. You can see the chrome around the windshield. I'll get you into the hood here. Old Air Products AC system, blows ice cold, little air horn, some chrome headers. As I mentioned, power brakes, power steering, electronic ignition. So this one, you've got AC, but she's made for cruising the summer in the nice weather. Little spot right there, looks like something pressed into it. But good for cruising the summer, but there's no heat on this one. Usually you always get heat. Everybody wants AC for the summer. Well, this one you got AC but no heat. Insulation up in the trunk deck. Battery relocated to the back. These are the other center caps if you wanted to run those on there instead. Sound deadening mat. And then you can see your Rockford Fosgate kicker amps. Again, it's nothing crazy, little car cover, but underneath just matting, so just needs a carpet kit and the trunk kit if you want to finish it off. And otherwise, she's a cruiser. Let me know if I missed anything as always, and I'll get it to you.